I'm Matthew Renze with Pluralsight, and welcome to Artificial Intelligence, the Big Picture. Artificial intelligence has become extremely important in the past few years. From machine learning to deep learning to reinforcement learning, AI is taking over the IT industry. As a result, people with the ability to leverage artificial intelligence to solve business problems are in extremely high demand and commanding significant increases in salary as AI is revolutionizing the world around us. However, most software developers and IT professionals have not yet learned this valuable set of skills. In this course, we'll answer the following 3 questions. What is artificial intelligence? Why is it important for you and your career? And how do you get started with AI? To answer these questions, we'll learn about artificial intelligence, how it works, and its potential impact on you, your organization, and our world. By the end of this course, you'll understand artificial intelligence in the tools, technology, and trends driving the AI revolution. As an introductory course, there are no prerequisites for this course. We'll be explaining everything you need to know along the way. So please join us today at Pluralsight and learn how to become part of the AI revolution with artificial intelligence, the big picture.